Myself is Divya Senta. My home is Delicious Food. We are working on dehydrated onion and garlic products. We are exporting our products more than 52 countries. Now I want to say about Shipzy software. We took this software in action last 2 years ago. Before that, we were using Excel to making our document. But whenever we used to start Shipzy software, it made very easy to different operation or like in our documentation. For example, in inventory, in sell, in purchase, in export, it's very easy to handle out and to make analysis or data analysis or to find out any figure out or anything. It is most useful to us. So I would like to say that Shipzy is very helpful to our company, and I think I can say that it's made our work very easy. Thank you.